Boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and take this sheet of paper out. It is located on the right side of your folder. This is the right side. And pull it out of the first stapled or paper clipped packet in your folder. It's going to be the second thing in your packet, the second piece of paper in your packet. And you're going to take it out because we're going to be working on syllables this week. We practice syllables in our classroom by clapping syllables to figure out how many syllables are in a word. We need to know about syllables because they help us to read and they help us to write, to understand syllables. So I want to introduce to you, before we begin that activity, I want to introduce to you the Robin rule. This is one rule about syllables. We'll be talking about others this week, but this is one rule for spelling and writing and reading. If there's one consonant, a consonant is any letter in the alphabet that is not a vowel. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Every other letter in the alphabet is a consonant. If there's one consonant between two vowels, try to divide, that means split, after the vowel. If it doesn't make sense when you read it, divide after the middle consonant. The first syllable should be closed. So for example, let's clap Robin. Rob in. Rob in. There are two syllables in the word robin. There's a consonant and there's a vowel. So the split goes before the vowel. So you have consonant, vowel, consonant, split, because there's a vowel and another consonant. If it doesn't make sense when you read it, divide after the middle consonant. So it will help when we read it. We're not going to say Robin, Rob, Robin, Robin. It's Rob in. Rob in. So knowing syllables will help us read words more accurately so that our fluency, our ability to read words, increases. So that's the one rule I want you to learn today. We're going to go ahead and take this out. And I want you to cut with me. So have scissors handy and glue. If you need to pause the video to find your tools, go ahead and do so. And I want you to begin cutting. Remember, when we cut, our thumb is on top. I have some of my friends who do not always keep their thumb on top. We want to make sure the thumb stays on top when we cut. We always want to use good cutting habits. And I have extra. What do I do with the extra? I get rid of it. And I'm going to cut that off as well. Boys and girls, when you're working on your schoolwork at home, just like we do in the classroom, you know our red bins that we use for our trash so we don't make a big mess on the table? I want you to find a bin. Ask mom or dad, what bin can I use on the table to put my trash in so I don't make a big mess? Because after I'm done with my schoolwork, I want to be able to throw it out so that it's not all over the table and not all over the floor. So I want to help you. So I'd like you to do that too. Make sure you have a trash bin on your table so that we help our parents and honor the space that they give us to use for work. Okay, so I'm going to cut all of my pieces. So go ahead and cut them with me. Okay, so we have to figure out which column these pieces go. So this is a goat. Goat. There's only one dot because there's only one syllable. Goat. This is a dragon. 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 Two syllables. This is an octopus. 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 Three syllables. So I'm going to do the same thing with all of the pictures that I have. So this is a table. Table. Which column does it go in? Is it 1 syllable? Table. Table. 2 syllables or 3 syllables? Table. That's right. 2 syllables. I want you to grab your glue. I'm going to open my glue. It's stuck. Oh no, my glue's stuck. I'm going to open my glue and I'm going to put a little dot on the back of my piece and I'm going to glue it nice and neat at the top of my column for table. Now, I have other pieces as well, but I'm not going to glue them down. I want you to glue. So we're going to do the first few together. I'm going to sort this. What animal is that? I'll have to think about that animal. I don't know if that's supposed to be a cow. Maybe that's a cow. It could be a bull. Either way, it's the same amount of syllables. Figure out where that one will go. Is it 1, 2, or 3 syllables? Let's call it a bull. Is it 1, 2, or 3 syllables? Bull. This is a hat, or it's a sombrero. Ah, that's what that is. A sombrero. Sombrero. This is a maraca. This is a king. And this is a koala. So where do they go? I put them all here, but that's not where they belong. I just set them down. So where should they go? You have to tell me. I want you to practice clapping your syllables and glue all of these pieces in the correct column by discovering how many syllables each picture word has. Have fun sorting today with your syllable words.